KGiSL Institute of Technology is one of the leading engineering institutes in Coimbatore that combines academia and industry. Founded in 2008, KITE is situated at the heart of information technology in the city and thrives in the lap of an IT industry habitat inside the KGiSL campus, rendering an environment conducive for industry-embedded education. Welcome to an industry-instilled institution that adheres to a pedagogy which combines the best of academia and industry professionals. At KITE, classroom learning meets real-time industry exposure. Having established associations and partnerships with various MNCs, KITE firmly believes in immersing students in real-time learning. As ambassadors of punctuality and safety, we lay our trust on trained and seasoned bus drivers to ferry students from all parts of Coimbatore and beyond, including Annur, Perur, Tirupur, Sirumugai and Mettupalayam. A multitude of classroom methodologies are adopted to maximize absorption of concepts both inside and beyond the classroom. All departments are allocated state-of-the-art lab facilities that are equipped with cutting-edge technology to provide students with a glimpse of the real world. The computer science labs provide extensive resources and hands-on training on different operating systems that enable them to explore open source platform of today's industry standards. KITE provides the right infrastructure to instill in students the skills and confidence to dabble with emerging technologies. They are encouraged to explore diverse solutions and innovations within their own student-driven tech communities, along with a host of events, workshops, coding challenges, and hackathons. ADAL, the all-terrain vehicle, a product of our mech department, has been bagging trophies at national championships since 2019. Extensive training on communication and logical reasoning abilities helps students upgrade their employability skills. For the holistic development of our students' abilities, KITE pursues a host of opportunities to pump some adrenaline, be it an inter-college challenge or a state-level tournament, or merely to boost one's sense of well-being. The Divya Lakshmi Award was launched in 2020 in fond remembrance of the late founder-director to recognize real-life wonder women. With the right balance of education, recreation and leisure, KITE molds its students into well-rounded personalities. KGiSL Institute of Technology. Learn right with KITE.